Hello? Hello?
Okay. Well, the dean is currently in a meeting, so he's not able to see you today. What's your name? Do you have an ID on you?
I have an ID. Do I have an ID on me?
Are you a student here?
Yes.
Do you have a student ID on you?
Yes.
Can I see it, please?
Do you need to see it?
You're required to show it upon request.
All right.
It's written on the back. You with him?
What happens if I don't show you it?
I'll ask you to leave.
Do you often come to help students make their appointment with the dean?
I'm sorry?
Do you usually help students to, because the door's locked, so is that a common job for you to help students talk to the dean?
I have no idea whether the door is locked. I have no idea.
And do you have any, why would you be here at this moment?
So I have no idea.
So why do you think that you were called? What duty are you fulfilling by coming here?
I have no idea. That's what we're going to figure out right now.
So you were called by someone inside the office?
I have no idea. We were just called here by our
Thank you.
By our dispatch.
Will you call the police if I stand here? Do the police really need to come all the way over here because someone's standing here?
Apparently you don't seem to understand how this works.